We've got a problem of the day about packing for 5th grade camp. A suitcase weighs 12 pounds when empty. It's packed with 3 items that weigh 5.5 pounds, 4.2 pounds, and 3.3 pounds. And the question is, what is the total weight of the suitcase? Let's highlight our important information. 12 pounds, and then each item, there's 5.5 pounds, 4.2 pounds, and 3.3 pounds. And the question is asking us for the total weight. Go ahead and try this problem yourself before you see how I solve it. So I'm writing down our important information. It helps our brain, even though we have it highlighted. So it's a 12-pound suitcase. We've got a 5.5 pound item, a 4.2 pound item, and a 3.3 pound item. And we're looking for the total weight. Part of the reason I write all this down is to give my brain time to think and then organize the information. All right, if we're looking for total weight and we've got 3 items, and then not to forget about our suitcase, we need to add them together. So I'm going to stack them all on top of each other. 12, and then 5.5, and then 4.2, and then 3.3. And I need to add them. But have you noticed anything that I did? Have you caught it yet? Yep, I've made a mistake. I didn't stack them by place value correctly, and I did that on purpose to see if you would catch it. That is a decimal place. Our number 12 doesn't have a visible decimal. It's not 1.2 pounds, it's 12 pounds. So we actually need to move it over to the left so that the number is in the correct place. The 10s in the tens column, the 1s in the ones column. And then I can add a decimal point and put a 0 there as a placeholder, just so I know I've lined them all up correctly. All the decimals should be stacked on top of each other. And then we're going to move that decimal place down, or the decimal dot down to the bottom. So now we're going to add our 3 numbers. I know that 2 plus 3 is 5. And when I add 5 more, that gives us 10. And I cannot put 10 in one place. So then it's 0. And my 10 is going to move over into the ones column. Now I know that 2 and 3 is 5. If I add another 5, that would be 10. And then I add my 4 and my 1, that gives us 15. I get to keep my 5 in the ones place, move the 10 over into the next column, and then when I add, I get a 2 in the tens column. That means the suitcase and all the things inside weighs 20.0 pounds. So it's exactly 25 pounds. That's not the heaviest suitcase I've ever seen, but I wonder, what is this student packing? Why only packing 3 items? And what are those items that they're that heavy? Maybe a lot of hoodies? Maybe hiking boots? What did you pack in your suitcase for 5th grade camp? Have a great day, mathematicians.